Want to turn scrap wood into something delicious? Hey there, I'm Scott. Thank you for stopping by. I'm the owner of sawsonskates.com, where I share easy woodworking plans and space-saving workshop solutions. Today I'll show you how to make an adorable hot cocoa caddy in an afternoon with just a few basic tools. You'll find the full plans on my site, complete with dimensions, step-by-step instructions, and a tree template that takes all the guesswork out. I'll leave the link for it in the description below this video. The other day we were setting up our craft market area for the Historical Society's Christmas celebration, and it looked a little sparse. So I came home thinking, what can I make that's quick, easy, and makes a big impact? I kept thinking about a cocoa caddy I've been seeing online, but it's been done a lot, and I wanted something different. Then I found one with tree-shaped sides, and that's when the light bulb went off. It reminded me of my tabletop tree with lights, so I shrunk that template down for the sides. I went for a rustic vibe, so I left the saw marks on the trees and brushed on a muted green so the grain shows through. You can totally make it your own. Paint it, stain it, keep it natural, or even add hot cocoa, or a family name with a stencil. To fill mine, I grabbed two Dollar Tree mugs, shredded paper, candy canes, and cocoa packets. Tea, coffee packets, or candles would work great too. To get your copy of the Cocoa Caddy plan, head over to my site sawsonskates.com using the links in the description box below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it the thumbs up. It's one of the best ways to support my building plans.